Jurors heard more testimony today in day 2 of the trial of a woman charged in a deadly drag racing crash. This happened on Magnolia Avenue back in January of 2023, and this leads our top 4 for today. 10 News reporter Andrew McClung was back in the courtroom today where jurors heard evidence about just how fast the woman was driving. Andrew?
Yeah, that trial is still underway as we speak right now, as cross-examination on Knoxville police officers continuing in the courtroom right behind me. But the big thing that we learned today is that according to a THP trooper, Trinity Clark and her co-defendant, Trayshawn Glass, were both going over 100 miles per hour before that crash occurred right there at that intersection that led to the death of Michael Williams. Again, this is just one of the many developments that we have learned today. Officer Sam Young also was back on the stand for cross-examination. He is a Knoxville police officer, the main investigator of the crash. The defense believed he lost data, but Young stated data was not lost, and Knoxville just did not have the capabilities to retrieve the data for the speed from the cars that were involved in the crash. He was provided initial imaging from that crash report on September 23rd, but a full report from CAPS was provided on November 24th.
We just don't have software. The machine and everything still works, and the data's still there.
You can put it in, but you can't get it out.
I can get it in the data collector. It's just retrieving it from there and being able to see it.
You can gather it, but you do it.
That is correct.
And right now, again, a Knoxville police officer is testifying. We just saw body cam footage to where Clark said that right before the crash in that body cam footage that she was accelerating. And again, that was also some other testimony that we learned today. According to the car data, that her floor was at 100% on the gas pedal at least 3 seconds before the crash. Again, we'll have a more in detail recap coming up later at 5 and 6 when today's proceedings wrap up. Reporting live here in Knoxville, Andrew McClung.
Andrew, thank you.